Welcome to MSlide for food menus. If you've ever needed to hide a dish item from your menu, whether it's temporary like a sold-out special or long-term like a seasonal swap, this video's for you. We're diving into a handy feature that lets you control what shows up, all at your discretion. Let's jump in and see how it works. First, log in. From the MSlide website, use your login screen to access your personal editing area. Once you enter your dashboard, look to the top left. Among the options, click the first one, Dish Item Text Updates. This takes you straight into the Google Sheets spreadsheet view. Now inside Google Sheets, we are going to manage what's hidden from your menu. Scroll through the rows to locate the dish item you want to hide. Finding the right row is key, so you can decide what disappears from the live view. Select the row for the dish price. Delete the price, and the dish item vanishes from the live menu view, disabled instantly. Go check for yourself. Check out our other videos to learn how to update menu items in Google Sheets, upload images and videos.